Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s multiplied by s squared, 9s and number 1. We have s to the power of 3 minus 9s squared plus s over s to the power of 3 plus s plus 3 dx. Next, we apply about long division. So that I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So we have s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of 3, so we have only number 1. So number 1 multiplied by number 3, s and s to the power of 3. We minus 2 equations together. This one cancel. Negative 9s squared we keep the same. S minus s cancel. 0 in here, this is about number 0. 0 minus 3, we have negative number 3. And now we have number 1 go in here. And remainders should be on denominator. Numerator. So we put negative number 3 outside. And we have s squared plus 3s squared plus 1 over s to the power of 3 plus s plus 3 dx. So if we know that, if we do first derivative of this one, we have 3s squared plus 1. So this is about natural log in here. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, we have ln of s to the power of 3 plus s plus 3. And we have c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.